The verse of the day.
The verse for today is found in Ephesians 4:3. It says here, endeavoring to keep the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace. So this verse speak to us that keep the unity of the spirits. If we have unity, we need to have humility, because we have to understand each one of us. We need to understand every people, every character. So humility is one of the characteristic. Then gentleness. So we need to handle them in a gentle way, because they are sometimes, most of the people in the group or in the community, in the family, are wounded. So if they are wounded, they are easily get misunderstood. They are easily get they cannot easily understand in the body of Christ. They cannot easily understand to the people around them. Sometimes hindi natin maintindihan ang mga attitude ng ibang tao. That's why God give us the characteristic of patience in order that the unity will be sustained. Then forgiveness. Kailangan ang forgiveness sa isa't isa, kasi may mga friction within the community, within the body of Christ, even the family. May mga friction sometimes. So forgiveness will always be present, because without forgiveness, it's hard for us to unite, because kahit whether you like it or not, there is always a friction in the family, in the community. So that's why God will prepare our heart to easy to forgive, easy to understand, and easy to love. So most of all, and we always have love, because love will cover multitudes of sins. So even that people is unlovable, we keep on loving them, because God will speak to us to love them, even he is not worthy to love, because only God will bless you to love that people. Because if without love, it's hard for you to forgive. It's hard for you to easy to understand the attitude of that person, because only the people who are overflowing love can understand only in this verse. Unity is the atmosphere where God moves. When the body of Christ united, the Spirit flows freely. When the family united, the Spirit will move mightily in the family. Where there is unity, God commands blessing in Psalms 1:3. So biblical. So it is biblical that there is unity, there is blessing. So division closes the door, God's power, but unity opens the heavens for breakthrough. Yes, if there is disunity, if there is friction, God will close the door of blessing, because God will not allow us to be there is trouble, misunderstanding. That's why he needs us to be united, even in the family, even in the community, and even in the body of Christ. We need to have a unity. So unity is a weapon against the enemies. So unity is bound of peace. So bound of peace. So bond of peace means a peace of that gives. So kailangan nga ikaw mahimo kang instrument of peace sa family mo, sa community mo, kasi that's the Spirit of God within us. When we speak peace of Christ rules in our hearts, our relationship becomes stronger. Yes, that's true, because if God is in us, so we will be always nag-spread tayo ng mga good vibes, nag-spread tayo ng mga godly message, mga godly relationship to each and everyone. Where there is peace, there is healing. Where there is peace, there is growth. Where there is peace, there is God.